In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft OneDrive made easy for everyone, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the grid or waffle icon near the top corner. Click it, then choose OneDrive. That opens your OneDrive homepage where you'll see quick access to recent and recommended files, a powerful search bar at the top, and navigation on the left to help you move around quickly. Head into My Files to view everything you've stored. This is where your folders live, so you can create new folders, drag files into them, rename items, and sort by name, date, or size. Use list or grid view, whichever helps you scan your content faster. If you're moving from another storage service, you can drag and drop files right into this window to upload. Next, open Photos. OneDrive groups your images so they're easy to browse and you can create albums for trips, events, or projects. If you take photos on your phone and enable backup, they'll appear here automatically so your memories are safe and easy to find. Check out Shared to see everything you've shared with others as well as files others have shared with you. From here, you can review who has access, adjust permissions, or stop sharing when a project wraps up. A quick tip: choose whether people can edit or only view before you send a link. If you accidentally delete something, go to the recycle bin. Recently removed files are kept for a limited time so you can restore them with a click. If you need to free up storage, you can permanently delete items from here as well. Back in My Files, use the upload button to add files or entire folders or just drag them in from your desktop. Large files will continue uploading in the background and you can keep working while they finish. Sharing is simple. Select a file, choose Share, then send by email or copy a link. You can set whether the link allows editing, limit it to specific people, or set an expiration date for extra control. OneDrive also connects seamlessly with other Microsoft apps. When you create a document in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, save it to OneDrive so it's available on all your devices, with version history and autosave to protect your work. Finally, you can sync OneDrive to your computer. Using the OneDrive desktop app, choose the folders you want and they'll appear in File Explorer or Finder. Work offline and your changes will sync when you're back online. That's the new OneDrive made easy. Thanks for watching.